Okay, I got the one theory for people and planet, and let's see what's inside. All right, so first of all, it says here, it's happy to see you. All right, so we have this thank you card, which says it, let's see here. Every single order plants 5 trees in Kenya. Awesome. And you can plant this card. Okay, good. Grow some wildflowers. Awesome. I always love things like that. So it tells you the day glow steps and the night flow products. All right, cool. So let's see what's inside. All right, so we have this thing. Okay. La Rituelle Kojic acid and green tea replenishing cream. Okay, I'm liking this box. That's kind of neat. Oh, okay. Let's open it up. Okay. I'm liking the design so far. Oh, okay. That cream is really luxurious. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to rub that right in. It feels really nice, not greasy at all, really moisturizing. Wow, I'm gonna love putting this on my face. Very nice. Okay, let's see what else we got. We have this one. I like this cardboard packaging. It's really pretty and it's recyclable. So this one is the Night Recovery Serum, Millionaire Sugar. Okay, so we're gonna take this off so I can open it. Ooh, okay. Millionaire Sugar. So this is the night cream. Hard-working serum with none of the nasty stuff. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, look at that. Okay, so you twist it and this little top comes out. Okay, so let's try it on this side. Oh, okay, so it's a nice serum. All right, so let's see how that feels. Okay, that feels really nice. Not oily at all, not greasy. Goes on nice and smoothly, absorbing really nicely. Okay, look at that. Yeah, very hydrating. Okay, so excited to be using that. Let's see what else we have in here. Brighten and Glow Morning Beat. Okay, this is a hard-working serum with none of the nasty stuff. Okay, so we had the night one and this one is the morning one or day one. So let's see. Okay, so this one opens like the other one did. Twist it. And then you see the dispenser on top there. So let's see how that feels. Okay, that's a nice, it's a little more watery, thinner consistency than the other one. Okay, but yeah, that feels really nice. Moisturizing. Okay, definitely very hydrating. My skin feels very moisturized. Okay, now let's see what else we got. Dig around in here. Okay, so this looks like Ultra Renew HydraMatrix Amino Tea. Wow, that's awesome. So this is Cucumber Hydrating Gel Peptide Serum. Ooh, I'm super excited about these, and I'm loving the packaging so far with the outer cardboard. Oh, okay, this one comes in a tube. Okay, that's neat. And the dispensing top is here. I gotta grab this piece in here though. Okay. So it really looks like that. Okay. Alright, so let's see how this looks. Okay. Let's check out that texture. Okay. Looking like a little gel type of thing. Okay. See how that feels. Oh, it's nice and cooling and relaxing. But yeah, it definitely absorbs very nicely. And my skin is feeling really smooth and hydrated. Definitely excited to use this on my face. But yeah, definitely it's going to help my hands to stay nice and useful looking. I think that's everything. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, totally excited to use all these. So we got that, and that. Boom. Yeah, so stay tuned for my full review about these once I start using them.